Hello everyone, my name is Gerd and I'd like to give you a sneak preview of our new integration with the Asana work management. I've created a task in Asana, I added an InDesign document and an image to the task. The InDesign doc is to be completed with content and an image is to be retouched. At the end, the created materials need to be uploaded to the Box cloud storage system. So I switch to InDesign and connect to the Asana system. I tap the Add button, select Asana, and all I need for connecting are my credentials for Asana. And as you can see, the connection is done. Switch to Asana, select one of my workspaces, and the tasks come up. I can use, of course, filter criteria to refine my search result. So let's open a task, and I can see immediately all relevant information within InDesign. I have a preview of my attached files, and which is really great, I have a page preview for my InDesign document. I can check the comments, and I'm opening the InDesign document which is stored in Asana. First, I have to work on the image, so I switch to Photoshop. And CI Hub delivers the same details with the same interface. That, by the way, works also in Illustrator, Premiere Pro, After Effects, in the Microsoft Office and Google Workspace, and it works in Figma, Sketch, WordPress, and SharePoint. So I open the image in Photoshop, do my changes, and as written in the Asana task, I will store the new asset in the Box system. So I'm switching to Box and I can upload the asset directly from Photoshop into the target system. Here we go. So let's switch back to Asana and I'm going to write a comment which says, okay, the work on the image is done and it's stored in blah blah blah, and this is the file name. Okay, that's it. So switch to InDesign, and as described in the task, I'm going to grab the text from the metadata which is stored in Box and place it in InDesign. So just copy and paste the search term, go to the source system where the image is located, and as you can see, we can just drag and drop metadata content into the layout. Switching back to Asana, go to the tasks and copy the file name, go to Box, paste the file name. Here we go, this is the one that has been retouched, and as stated in Asana, I'll get the new image. So my job is done. I'm now uploading the InDesign doc, including a PDF via the CI Hub panel to the Dropbox system. And I can copy the URL with the deep link feature and drop it into the Asana task. Set the status to completed, leave a comment, and that's it. So that's all done without leaving my applications. And as you can see in Asana, everything is perfectly in place. So if you have any questions, please visit our website at cihub.com, and thanks for watching.